guys, this is me Bhavya and welcome back to my channel Pick Up Dreams. So today's video is going to be a tutorial video. Basically makeup tutorial video. Today I created this look. It's soft nude day kind of look. So I created this look with minimal products and very easy steps. Anyone can do this. Before we start the video, make sure to subscribe my channel and also to like my video. Okay, share with your friends. Please watch the video till the end because at the last I will share some tips for teenagers for a subtle and nude kind of makeup. So keep watching till the end and let's get started.
So as a primer, I am using Patanjali aloe vera gel. You can use any primer according to your preference, or if you are using aloe vera gel, then you can go for any brand or natural one as well. I am massaging gently on my pores, especially near my T-zone. Okay, next I'm using Pond's White Beauty BB Cream, which is also available in small pack too. Okay, it also have SPF 30, that means you can easily skip sunscreen, and also it's absolutely pocket friendly like Patanjali aloe vera gel. It both conceals and works as foundation, so you don't need to apply them, and also it gives you a good coverage. I took a small amount of it and then using a beauty blender to blend it all over my face, neck. You can either use your fingers if you are having problem in using beauty blender. Its second coating will work as concealer to correct my dark areas like under eyes and near my lips. Using a sponge take times but gives you a best results, and it will not make your face look cakey. It's almost done. Okay, next I'm using Lakme Radiance Compact. You can either use loose powder. All the products I'm using, you can also try them, and that's why I will put all the links in the description bar. Okay, you can also go for beauty blender in case you are not comfortable in applying compact with its applicator. Next I am using Colossal Kajal, and it's from Maybelline. It is smudge proof, waterproof. You can use any kajal whatever you have. I am applying this only in my outer corner of my eyes. That means on my outer lower lash and also outer upper lash. This will help my eyes to look bigger. It's done. Next I'm using a lipstick, that is Ebaulian Truth Love Hot Lips lipstick. It is from Dubai. Sorry guys, as it is not available in India, but such similar shades are available. So I will put link in the description box of the alternative product. You can go and check them out. I am very smart, and so I'm using the same lipstick as eyeshadow. Okay, so if you are also doing the same, then apply lipstick after you apply compact or loose powder, as lipsticks are sticky and get set in crease line. And I'm not applying lipstick directly but using only its tint after applying it on my back of my hand. I'm using it as a blush on my cheeks also. And it's about to finish, guys. You can also do the same. Okay, it's up to you. Now I'm moving forward and it's time for eyeliner. So for this I'm using Lakme eyeliner. I love applying eyeliner. It's my favorite step. Okay, I know it is tough, but practice makes perfect. Next step is to make your lashes look bigger. So for that, you can use mascara or fake lashes. I'm using volumizing mascara. I will coat my upper lashes 2 times to make them look thicker and lower lashes 1 time only. Here is a quick and easy hairstyle for girls. Just take strands, twist them up and secure it with bobby pins, leaving some strands for your flaunts. And here it's almost done. Any girl can try this 5-minute hairstyle as it does not depend on your hair length. It's super easy, super quick, and super stylish.
No, I don't wanna go. No, I don't wanna go. No, I don't wanna go.
So guys, here is tip number 1. Always apply makeup on a clean face. That means that always wash your face before you apply makeup. Tip number 2, always use a moisturizer. Doesn't matter you have oily skin type or dry skin type combination, any skin type, but you have to use moisturizer. So moisturizer is must before doing makeup. Tip number 3 is always apply primer before you do your makeup. So guys, not to prime is a crime. So tip number 4 is use sponges rather than brushes, because brushes, if you are a beginner, what you will do, you will just drag your foundation, but with sponges it's not possible. If you have a sponge, you can just damp your foundation and foundation will give a matte finish. Don't forget to damp your sponge or beauty blender with water. Tip number 5 is use of compact powder. If you have dry skin type, then you can easily skip this. But if you have oily skin or combination skin type, then you must do this. So guys, this was it. If you enjoyed my video, then give it a thumbs up and please subscribe my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon. And I'll see you in another video. Take care. Bye bye.